Good morning, everyone. I want to quickly draw attention to this news because some people did not read it and some read it, they did not understand. On Micron Global, as at the 17th of April, changes were made to the registration process and the referral link. It's hard to say whether these changes were actually done on the 17th or they were done before, but the information was shared on the 17th. But what are these changes? Well, the first thing you need to know is that your referral link has changed. So you need to go and copy the new referral link in your dashboard. If you give somebody or you gave somebody your referral link on Micron Global as at when the site launched, please note that link is no longer working. You need to go and copy a new link from your dashboard and give your partner. So if you have pasted your link somewhere on your social media, you need to go and change it. Now, this is the registration process as it stands today. I'm making this video 21st of April. Now, if you go to the registration page, you are going to see the section for username and email address. Sponsor's username will be filled. The registering person's username and email will also be filled. Then they are also required that you add your phone number. But the challenge is that the phone number field is not enough to contain some people's phone number. Nigeria's phone number has 11 digits, but if you use the country code instead of putting 0, if you put +234, it means that it will now have, instead of 11, it will have 13 digits. If you put that phone number in this text field, 3 digits will be missing, and the text field cannot take 13 digits, it can only take 10. So we've written for them to look into this issue. As at today, 21st, this issue has not been resolved. So if you are asking us to put a phone number and it's a compulsory requirement, you should also make the field to be sufficient for us to put the phone number, because the phone numbers that any person enters into this place now will be incorrect, and by the time they fix this error, you will see many people will start having to go back to correcting their information, and this is not very good because this has happened a number of times. They've called us back to update information for verification, and apparently if they don't correct this error, the same thing will happen with phone number. We've written to support and this issue has not been resolved. Alright, after you've entered phone number, your citizenship, you will put it. So wherever you are from, the country of your citizenship, you will write it there. Then you select it from the list. Then you accept the user agreement and the privacy policy and you click sign up. Now please note, if you initiate this registration and you don't confirm it in 2 hours, right, your data will be deleted from the system and you will need to restart the registration process over again. So if you initiate this process, you must complete it within 2 hours. Within 2 hours. Yes. Now, when you go to your email and you click on the email that they sent to confirm the registration, that is where you will now be prompted to set your password. Now, when you set your password, you'll be taken to another page when you click continue to confirm your inviter. Once you confirm your inviter, you cannot change again. Before now, you could write to support if you want to change your inviter. So for those who join under a sponsor they no longer wish to work with, and they write to support before now that they want to change their sponsor, the process was that the sponsor will write that they also agree, and you will then process the request. After about 2 weeks, you'll be moved to a new sponsor. But as at today, if you register and you confirm your inviter, it is permanent, you cannot change it. So be very sure, be very certain when you make the decision of who your sponsor should be. And once you've made that decision and confirmed it here at this step 4, you cannot change it. Take note. So that's the new update to the process of registration, and this is all you need to know about it.